The army ant death circle is a fascinating phenomenon that blends myth and science. It refers to a behavior where a group of army ants, typically nomadic species like Eciton burchellii, form a continuously rotating circle until they die from exhaustion. This phenomenon is often cited as an example of dysfunctional behavior in nature, but the reality is more nuanced. The idea gained popularity through stories of army ants blindly following each other in a never-ending loop until they collapse from fatigue. Some legends suggest these circles can grow to massive sizes, trapping thousands of ants in a circle of death. The myth has been perpetuated in media, often exaggerated as a mysterious, almost supernatural phenomenon. Army ants navigate by following pheromone trails left by their colony members. If a group of worker ants becomes isolated, for example, due to a break in the trail, they may start following each other in a loop, creating a circular mill. While documented in lab conditions or disturbed environments, it is rare in the wild. Natural army ant colonies have complex systems, scouts, multiple trails that usually prevent this behavior. If no external intervention occurs, the ants may eventually die from exhaustion. However, in nature, factors like rain, predators, or a scout ant breaking the cycle usually disrupt the circle before mass death occurs. Ant mills have been observed in other ant species, but army ants are the most famous example. Some fish and caterpillars also exhibit similar circular milling when disoriented. The army ant death circle is a real but exaggerated phenomenon. It stems from the ant's reliance on pheromone trails, but in nature it rarely leads to mass fatalities. The myth persists because it captures the imagination, a seemingly unstoppable self-destructive spiral, but science shows it's more of a rare accident than a common occurrence. Would you like details on specific experiments or documented cases?